Alright guys, just popped up the plot to finish off setting up these, well, they're fake, big dripper bags. Yeah, I got 15 pots, so one bag wasn't enough. It's not going to be the main source of watering, it's just going to be enough to supplement it, if you know what I mean. I still water every day, but these are just put a little drip in. Let's try and find one that's dripping. Yeah, I've not done all of them. I've not done the peas. I don't want the peas to have too much water, look. Let's see if I can take that one out. There he is, look. So it's dripping a bit too fast at the moment, that one. I'll get more set up properly. It's a fine-tuning art, really. Yeah. Probably see them better on the big pots at the end. Silly Billy. There we are, look. Just dripping very gently, these ones. Yeah, like I say, it's a bit of a fine tune. I just noticed as well, I think it is a you cheeky curry in there. Brilliant. This teepee's doing so well. And in this hot weather, these peas have taken off as well, so I keep just tucking those around. All the rest I tie up, look. Okay, right, I'm going to get some white currants. Right, here we are then. Oh, crikey. Ow, ow, ow. Yeah, got quite a few on here. Looking alright, actually. So, you're probably thinking, why isn't he using a berry comb, a currant comb, sorry, to get these off? And there's two very good reasons for that. One is, I don't actually have one. And the second reason is, I'm not sure what I'm making with them yet. Because if I'm making jam or jelly, it's best to leave them on these strigs because they contain a lot of pectin themselves. So, let's see how many I've got first before I decide what to do with them. Not very good with red currants this year, I don't know why. Oh, these are juicy. Crikey, there is a lot. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put that down there now. It's got some weight to it. And just chuck them in. Cool. Next, Steve-o. I'll tell you what the variety is when I get home, so I cannot remember. I'm going to have to get a crib sheet and leave it up here, aren't I? Stick it in my tool locker or something. Then again, it would be out of date one week to the next because I plant so much. I'll tell you what I'll do, I'll leave a few for the birds. Just a few of the odds. The stragglers, if you know what I mean. That's a handy little hook. I'll tell you what, that bush there is far more productive than this one. I wonder why that is. Same variety. You notice I've been the finesse of the scissors now, I just use my fingers. Can you see the more big ones? Oops. Like I said, I'll leave a few for the birds. Ooh, crikey, missed that one. Right by me. Be interesting to weigh these when I get home as well. Let's change my angle because I'm probably getting a bit blinded here, blindsided. Yeah, that'll do. I'll leave a few for the animals. Brilliant, let's go and have a look at them, eh? Well, I'll tell you what, guys, I'm happy with that lot and 2 plants. I'm going to say, I reckon it's going to be over a kilogram, maybe 1.5 kilograms. Well, I'll let you know when I get home. And I just picked the last Gloucester Bounty beans, broad beans, from this bed here, and lifted the onions. I can't remember which ones they are now. They're either Stuttgarter, Kelsey, or Elsie. I'll let you know when I get home. The broad bean haulms, they've all gone into the, is it haulms? Not haulms, you know what I mean, the stems. They've all gone into the green compost bin. And I made a decision, the 2 veg trugs are going. They were watered yesterday, they're bone dry today, the peas have shriveled up, the herbs have shriveled up. So the compost from there is going to go into here. And the gremlin's mother, Marissa, she's having the 2 trugs themselves. So and they'll fit in the car, my boy's car, so brilliant. I think it's time to get home now. Catch you soon, guys. Doing something today that I've not done for a few years, and that is stringing onions. Now I prefer to string them than braid them or plait them. Just it's tidier, and when you take them off the braid or the string, there's less mess. These are Stuttgarter, not a bad harvest. I've got a few more to pick yet, to lift yet, but I'll leave those to get a bit bigger. These were in the way. I need to get other plants in where these were. Now, so what you do with stringing, let's start off with basics. Get some string. I'm using just this twine, hemp is it, or jute? Jute. Here we are. Might be a bit long that. It doesn't matter, it doesn't matter. You can always shorten it later on. Just grab the 2 ends and do a simple knot in it. Like that. There we are. And what we're going to do, trim the roots, and then you can either leave the bits on and trim them afterwards, or cut them back to about 3 or 4 inches, like that. Gonna have a lot of waste here, and I ain't got a bin. Oh well. And I'll do this here, and then I'll do it hanging up, which how I'd normally do it. Now these are just right; they're still green. The reason I say I haven't done this for a while is I usually leave them too long and the tops have gone brittle. Right, to show you here, I need a bit of weight on it, so I'm just going to tie this on a minute. We'll just pass it through itself. That'll do. Here we are, that'll do. And all you do is pass the onion through the loop, fold it back on itself and under itself. So it forms its own little knot, and pull it tight. And just keep repeating, and then normally you'd have all these cut ready. Trim the roots, take any papery bits off if you want to. So pass it through the loop, pass it under itself, and slide it down. 2 done. And just alternate left and right as you go up. So we'll do a few more, then I'll hang it up and do it properly for you. I'll try and do a few close-ups actually. Yeah, so alternate either side, pass it through and under itself and pull tight. Get in there. Let's cut a few more off ready, it'll be easier. More productive this way. Through the loop, whichever way you want to do it, under itself and pull down. Other side, through the loop, under itself and pull down. And there we are. What I'll do now, I'll hang them on the greenhouse and I'll show you how I do it the other way, standing up. So, through the loop, under itself and pull down. Through the loop, pass it round, under itself and pull down. And just keep going until your string's full. Through the loop, under itself and pull down. Through the loop. I'm getting boring now, aren't I? Pull and pull down. There we are. And what I'm going to do now, just so it doesn't go too slack, there we are. Just put a little knot in there just to make it more manageable. And there we are, guys. One bunch of onions. That'll do for me for the first lot. I'm going to try put a little knot there. There we are. There we are, that'll do. I'm going to leave those in the greenhouse for now. I've not done these few because they're going to go in a dish later on. Brilliant. Chuffed to bits with that. Catch you soon. Oh, it's heavy. Yeah, nice to see the pollinators, bees, wasps, hoverflies, enjoying the facilities, having a quick drink. My daughter gave me this. God, a couple of years back now. Brilliant. I fill it up at least twice a day. I guess it's evaporation. They can't be drinking it all, surely. Okay then, guys, that just about wraps it up for this week. I just want to show you how these lettuce and beetroot have sprung into life, shall we say, 6 days ago from the other video where I showed you planting these. Brilliant. I want to try and do a sort of tomato update and a TP update on the next gardening video. Don't hold me to it. It all depends how things pan out. So look after yourself, guys. Take care. And I will catch you on that next video.